Hello, my name is Sophie Martinez and I'm from Future Law. I'm very, very honored to have Mats Nell with me today. Mats, you need to pronounce your governmental institution correctly because I will not get it right.
It's Lantmäteriet.
Lantmäteriet.
Yes.
It's probably not so bad. And
it means about surveyor, the one who measure land and property.
If you translate it in German, it's exactly the same name that we have. And you're the Chief Digital Officer there.
Yes.
Can you just explain us a bit what do you do all day long? And and you're here today because you speak to us about blockchain.
Yes.
And moving the land registry to the blockchain. But what is your responsibility and
my responsibility is to make everything happen in Lantmäteriet, my organization, in order to digitize everything. Because we see that we need some sort of power or force to go forward in a more active way than we usually do with normal development.
So your government said we want to digitalize?
Yes.
So they want you to digitalize everything that you basically can?
Yes. About everything, because we think that all services that can be digital should be digital instead of being based on analog processes or analog rules.
But that is interesting. So it comes from the top basically, and then they say, Mats,
the government has stated that everything should be digitized and choose the digital way first.
Wow, okay. That is a big difference, I think, what might happen in Austria. What are the biggest challenges when you look into the land registry?
The biggest challenge is to get everyone to understand that you must go that way.
Okay,
because so much things are based on the belief that everything should be put on paper.
Yeah.
And when you say that, we don't care about papers, then you just steep the paper form in the digital form instead. So they try Word or any A4 format.
Yeah, because they know it.
Yes.
So what happened when you now moved it to blockchain? How did you convince people and what does it look like now?
First we got a proposal from some technology company that, shouldn't we look at some sort of traditional old-fashioned process or something like that? And we got that. We got the process of selling and buying a property because that's still based on paper contracts. Okay. So therefore we saw that, let's look at blockchain.
That is very cool. And how is your experience so far? Because you're now in test phase 3.
Yes.
Is it also operationally? Does it all work?
All work. We have the technical solution there, and we have also adjusted that according to the process of ours. So we have not made any major changes to the process. So the process of selling and buying a property in Sweden is about the same with the support from the blockchain technology as it is with other kind of technologies.
Because you can't change the law.
Exactly. But now we are not going to set this in production. This is still innovation. And for our thesis is that the blockchain will support a process where we have digital contracts. We don't have that today.
Okay, so it's one step ahead.
So it's also a way of us forcing the legal development.
So you force the legal development. I like that. That is very interesting because I think when we speak about blockchain, everyone looks at it like a snake and says, what can we do? But you actually, through technology, you try to change something.
We need to push limits.
And how do you do that?
We do that by really showing that this works, and it's needed because it's better than the way we used to have.
So it's a lot about management skills and negotiation skills, actually.
Yes.
So it's less about technology, it's about change of mindset.
For me, it's not about technology very much because I don't know the technology. I'm a lawyer myself, so I don't understand everything in the technical part, but I don't need to do that.
I think that is really exciting. I look forward to hearing your talk. Thank you very much for coming, joining us, at least for a few hours. We hope to see you next time longer. Thank you very much, Mats Nell.